I had beliefs and thoughts, and always thought I was alone and felt different because of these beliefs. In Unity, I have found a place that shared my beliefs. It helped me feel that I belonged. Unity is the one place where I can be with like minded individuals who believe in the same things as I, that there is only one presence, one power, and one activity, God the Good. The whole idea of there being one presence, one power, and one activity, rather than the dichotomy between good and evil, has helped me feel safe. It gives me hope that everything is as it should be, and I am allowed to be, express more patience and loving kindness in the world. Back in the 80s, I discover and really embody that I was in the world to do God's work. I wanted God to work through me. That's what I set out to do. I felt that this was my mission, to be the hands and voice of God in the world. I was at a friend of a friend's house and found a daily word, and I sat and read the entire monthly magazine and actually hand wrote 6 of the days out on paper and carried those papers with me until they wore out because I could so relate to the teachings. One of the things that I do at Unity that I don't do anywhere else is tithe. I give to other organizations, but I don't tithe. And the difference for me is that when I tithe, I have more of a commitment to the outcome of the success of the church versus just giving to an organization. When giving to other organizations, I'm not going to try to be on your board or go collecting money for you. I don't have the same level of commitment to the outcome of another organization's success. Also, I've learned to have a relationship with money that I've never had. I believe in abundance versus lack. It has helped me to not worry about money before, and as a result, I've been able to retire and not feel afraid of how I am going to make it financially. I feel very strong about Unity principles and all they have to offer, and all that I've received over the years. I belong, I'm safe, and I am abundant. All of this is giving me the space to be the hands and voice of God in the world. And for that, I am grateful. Thank you.